Hello, friends. Okay, so on Tuesday, it's going to be the 4th of July, and there's a deal that you really have to pounce on if you want some Lay's chips for $1.79 a bag. With the price increase of a lot of food, for whatever reason, I don't buy chips because you guys know I always have to talk about keto every 5 seconds. We just don't eat them in the house anymore. But if I was going to buy some, it would definitely be the cheddar and sour cream or barbecue chips because they are friggin' good. So good. So in store, they're a little bit more at $4.79, and they're on this goofy promotion of buy one, get one for free, as they did on Memorial Day. So they're dusting this deal back. So, why we have to do this by the 4th of July is because there's a digital coupon that's 3 off of 5, 3 off the purchase of 5. So I'm going to show you that coupon here in a quick second, but it comes into play really quick. If you do this curbside, you can see the inventory that your store has, and as you can see, the difference between $4.79 and $4.59, it's a little cheaper to do it as a curbside pickup. You would just order this through your cell phone or desktop computer, and you would get it for like 20 cents less per bag. So I think it's a better deal. But if you're more of a tactile in-store shopper, I mean, by all means, go in store and see what they have. So this is the coupon that you need to load, guys, which is a 3 off of 5. So it's off of the Pepsi, Frito-Lay's products, and these Lay's chips land smack dab in the center of this. It expires on the 4th, so you got to do this deal to swit, just to put that out there. So what I did, guys, was curbside. I threw six of these bags into a cart, and the bags are anywhere between 8 to 7.75 ounces. So you would have you can get a whole bunch of different flavors, but you have absolutely everything on a BOGO free promotion, and kind of amazing. Okay, so the subtotal for this is $13.77 as you're opting for that curbside pickup to drive to the store and say, "Hi, my name is Jane Smith." And they're like, "Oh, Mrs. Smith, let me get your stuff. Um, it's free. And then your tax, some states have tax on food, Michigan doesn't, and chips are food, which is really weird. The 3 off 5 digital coupon is coming off, so your total is $10.77. If you might have $10 in Walgreens cash, use it and pay 77 cents and call this a really good deal. I know you're blowing through $10 of Walgreens cash, but that's why we have it, to use it. And I think this is a very smart for something for your pantry, especially if you're entertaining and you love chips. Make it happen. Just looking at this deal in a different lens, let's grab 4 bags of the Lay's and then 2 of the smaller Pepsis that are 2 for $8. So it goes without saying, we have to load our digital coupon, which is the 3 off 5. So hopefully you still have that one handy dandy and around for this deal. So again, just to look at the basket, you have 4 bags of chips and 2 of the smaller Pepsi. So they're the half a size can, pour 2 in a glass if it's too small for you. The subtotal for this is $18.38. Curbside pickup is free. Pending tax, the $3 coupon is melting off, so you're going to pay $15.38 for the 2 Pepsis and 4 bags of chips if you need some soft drinks thrown into the mix. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $5.38 and call this a super duper deal. But if you think, the chip deal is better, or if you want to get your soda somewhere else, by all means, go for it. But this is just an alternative deal if you're looking for some drinks to correspond with that 3 off 5 digital coupon. The last deal we're going to look at, and I'm just thinking about food, and I mean, if you're entertaining some people and they want Pop-Tarts for breakfast, I'm thinking about how to make breakfast fun. So let's put 6 of these Pop-Tarts into a basket, and they're on a buy one, get one free promotion. So this one is a little bit more. Definitely check the different rebate apps if a rebate might appear for one of these delicious Pop-Tarts. I always loved the brown sugar one back when I used to eat carbs. Oh, can't believe I'm saying that. So for the 6 boxes, it's $13.47. Curbside pickup is free. The tax is still pending. You know what I would do, guys? I would throw in $10 of Walgreens cash and pay $3.47 and call this a very smart deal. Just, if you wanted a little something easy for breakfast or something for the road trip or whatever you're doing out there, I think it's not the worst deal, so I would make that happen. I would get on that chip deal right away if I was going to be buying for stuff for a cookout. I guess your one-stop shop is in fact Walgreens. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.